All right, this is the Alani new Cosmic Stardust Energy Sticks. You get 10 of them inside of here. I was looking for something to replace me buying the canned energy drinks that I drink a lot of, and I wanted to make sure I was getting more water at the same time. I tried these out. You get 10 of these sticks inside of here, and what I like to do, it doesn't really have any recommendations on what size bottle of water to use, but I use a 1 liter bottle because I want to make sure I'm drinking my liter of water. You just tear the top off here and pour it in, shake it up, and you're good to go. I have a couple different flavors of these. Some have more coloring than others, and this one kind of turns into a pink color. So each serving is 1 stick, obviously looking at 5 calories, 0 fat, which I'm a fan of. There's a little bit of sodium in here. You get 1 carb in here, which I'm also a fan of, and perfect here, 0 grams of added sugars. So we have some iron, 4% daily value, 100% daily value of your vitamin B6. We have 100% value of your biotin and 125% of vitamin B12. If you look at the ingredients on here, the main thing is there's 200 milligrams of caffeine per serving in here. So if you're into caffeine, this is for you. It has their own energy blend in here. They're saying we have some taurine, some L-theanine, L-carnitine tartrate, Panax ginseng extract, and guarana seed extract, 20 milligrams of that. Good flavor, gives me energy boost. I can put it inside of an entire liter of water, so I'm drinking an entire liter of water while I'm drinking this at the same time. It's a perfect substitute for the energy drinks I've been drinking.